Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about the important tips and tricks speaking in English according to me. The first tip is speak. You speak anything. Whatever you can speak, you just speak. You don't feel shy. If you feel shy front of other people, you speak front of mirror. But you just speak. It is the most important thing in speaking. And the second tip is reading. You read in English. Whatever you read in English. English newspaper, English magazines, English storybooks, you read, and it will help to improve your pronunciation. Okay, and the next tip is you watch. You watch English videos. Okay, whatever you watch in English movies, English cartoon animation movies, English videos, you watch in English and you try to understand. First day you can't understand, but if you watch continuously, so you can understand what is the video about, what is the movie about. First you watch and after you analyze what is the video about. Okay, and the next tip is you think in English. Now you think in Hindi because you speak in Hindi, you listen in Hindi, that's why you think in Hindi. So you try to change your habit. You listen English, you speak English, and you try to think English. Whatever you think in English. You change your habit right now and you think in English. You try to think English. After some time, you can think in English. Okay, this is my tips. So you follow my all tips and you will see the result. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Share, like my video, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.